After watching this video, you're never gonna want to eat a pizza roll ever again.
Oh my god.
Why the hell are you making pizza rolls with your shirt off? I thought for a second you're making sausage nipples. I mean, pepperoni areolas. I mean, huh? First, you're gonna need some soya plant-based wonton wraps. Oops, I cut through some of them. How many should we make? These things got some powdery stuff on them. Non-stick. We'll make 6 of them today. Next, you're gonna need some Monterey Jack cheese. Was he using Monterey Jack cheese? I messed up. It's supposed to be mozzarella cheese, but we're gonna use Monterey Jack cheese because that's the only thing I got. You can buy the bag kind that's already shredded, but I prefer these, the black ones, because they melt better. I remember in college I was frying something with my shirt off. Let's just say I ended up with 13 new nipples the next day. I became the birth mother of a cat litter of 6. They called me Teetsy Fly. All right, hopefully that's enough Monterey Jack cheese or mozzarella cheese. You're also gonna need some pizza sauce and some pepperoni. He used turkey pepperoni in the thing. Seemed like a health nut. Mmm, very good. All right, so first you're gonna take a little bit of mozzarella cheese and add it to the center of these wonton wraps. Next, you're gonna get some pizza sauce. Who knows if this even tastes good? My acidity just kicked in immediately. Add a little pizza sauce to each one. Pizza, pizza. You know, and you people say pizza? Hey, where is the pizza? I'm hungry for some pizza. Now we're gonna add some pepperoni, turkey pepperoni to the top of it, just one. Right in the middle, one for you. We're gonna take some water and we're gonna brush the edges. And then you're gonna fold them corner to the center until you get something like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, hopefully not, I don't know, we'll find out. And this is what your final product should look like. Take a gander and a goose. Now what you wanna do is you wanna take these and air fry them for 6 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Spray them with a little bit of oil because I wanna make them extra crispy. All right, let's go air fry them. To complement the pizza areolas, pizza rolls, he made a low-calorie garlic butter. So we're gonna take some butter, some garlic paste. Get out, you garlic! He used oregano. I don't got no oregano, so I'm gonna use some Italian seasoning. And he used some red pepper chili flakes. I'm gonna be using some Korean red pepper chili flakes. Gochugaru. Now you wanna take this and melt it in the microwave slowly. Don't put it for like a minute. It's gonna start popping like fireworks. Oh my gosh, that garlic paste looks delicious. Let's give it a little shot. Mmm, that is fantastic.
8 minutes later.
Oh my goodness. These things look better than Megan Fox making a comeback on social media. Hey! The next thing he did is he took these and he dipped them in the garlic paste sauce that we just made. Get that juiciness all around. I think it looks greasier than someone's hair. Can't let any of this sauce go to waste. And let's see if I can get that cheese. Ooh, this is gonna be hot. Let's check it out. Pizza rolls! All right, my cheese didn't pull that well, but let's give it a shot. These things are banging. I ain't gonna lie, these are actually really good. I think I burnt them a little bit. Maybe frying them might be better, but hey, if you got high cholesterol or diabetes, frying ain't good for you, so air frying is the next best option here. Look at these pizza rolls at 8 out of 10. These things are delicious.